Okay, so this is the part that goes in there, all right? And now, I think you're missing, am I in the center? There's a ball bearing that goes into this. And that's what allows that to stay in one spot. You have the shaft moving around. So this spring goes in, then the ball bearing goes on top of that. Then make sure you wear glasses, and what we do is we push this down. Oops. We just keep filming. I'll have to like hold this. All right. It's gonna pop out. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, no, I don't have it. There we go. Beautiful. Can you see that? And then we do that. Then we screw this on. Still in the middle. And then you see how that is? But when you get a certain amount, see now it catches. And then we'll rotate that. We'll adjust it. So normally this is about in that position. See how it springs in? All I can say is someone took your head apart, and the ball bearings went flying across the room, and so when you do the liftover arm, see that should hold it in place. That should be held when you do the liftover arm. If that ball bearing's in there in the right spot with the spring, that should work. That's what I think's happened on your winding head. Okay.